Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac SRX with a dead key fob. First, locate the key blade hidden within your key fob. This small metal key is essential for manual entry. Insert the key blade into the driver's door lock cylinder, usually found on the door handle. Turn the key to unlock the door manually, gaining access to your vehicle without remote functions. This is your first step to getting back on the road. Once inside, the next crucial step is to find the special key fob pocket. This pocket is designed to read the fob's chip even when its battery is dead. It's usually found in the center console, often beneath a small cover, or sometimes in the dashboard. Place your dead key fob securely into this specific slot, ensuring it makes proper contact for the system to detect it. With your key fob correctly positioned in its designated pocket, you are ready to start the engine. Ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, press the engine start/stop button as you normally would. The vehicle system will now recognize the fob's chip, allowing the engine to ignite. This bypasses the need for a working fob battery, getting you moving. Congratulations, your Cadillac SRX is now running. Remember, this method is for emergencies. Your next step should be to replace the key fob battery. Most Cadillac SRX fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Consider keeping a spare battery or a fully functional spare key fob for future convenience and to avoid similar situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.